All right, listen. I've been watching a little YouTube, and there's this video on the Hoh Rainforest in Olympic National Park. It's one of those bucket list places that I've always wanted to go to. I've always really, really wanted to go to, and it just looks amazing. It looks like fucking the forest moon of Endor, but it's not northern or middle California. It's Washington, the Olympic Peninsula, Hoh Rainforest, the Olympic National Park, and it looks just fucking amazing. And there's this YouTube video of somebody's trip there, and it's in 4K Ultra HD, Ultra High Def. And the default player on YouTube was like 380, whatever that means. This shit is so crisp. It's so crisp. It's not even funny how crisp this is. So flippin' crisp. Look at this. Look at this. Oh yeah, you could tell just from a phone filming YouTube. Look how crisp that is. Look at that rainforest. My God. That's so crisp. It's like it's jumping out of the screen. Like, what's wrong with you? It's so crisp. Anyway, thanks to whoever made that video and put it up on here. You know, I haven't looked up Hoh Rainforest videos in a couple of years because I just kind of felt like I exhausted all the Hoh footage that there was. But that shit looks amazing. Whatever, dude. Bucket list.